Hello world, hi, welcome back to my another content. In this content I'm going to share with you in the topic. The topic name is how can you make it online with just YouTube shorts. So please watch my full video, follow, subscribe my channel, so I'll be able to see my all content even while I'll publish my basic content to myself, and I strongly believe that this content will be helpful for your make an online journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us and me. So firstly, people are searching how can I make money online like gold.com, salary.com, gmail.com, like even youtube.com, but they can't find a solution. They are got some kind of scam method. That's why they can't earn money from online. Now in this video I'm going to share with you a very proven method for making online. Like did you know you can make 100 USD to 500 USD a day just like using YouTube short, even if you have zero subscriber. Today I'll show you step by step how to do it with real examples of short that went viral. I started posting shorts last year and I made my first 100 USD in just 1 week. Now some of my short reached 100k views in days. Compare the number one is now I'm showing it to you step by step process formula with my theoretical part. After I'm showing with practical part, like the first step is to pick trending topics. Use YouTube or TikTok or Google Trends. For example, if cooking hack are trending, make a 30-second recipe short with catchy title. Start with a problem solution. Example, want glowing skin. Here are the 10-second tricks. Health and fitness short. Lost belly fat in 1 minute daily. 200k views or 200k views. Can you guess this? Can you imagine this? How it can be possible? With just your 30-second short reels will grow or will reach 200k views. Number 3, posting consistency, like post 1-3 short per day in last fast growth. Even posting short simple videos consistently will perfect one time upload. Number 4 is this is called a monetization method, like YouTube short fund, affiliate link and brand sponsorship. Like number 5 is secure retention, click-through rate and engagement in YouTube analytics. Focus on what work and make more short like it. Common mistake to avoid for this kind of overthinking editing. Keep it simple, waiting for perfect equipment, phone work fine. Ignore trend. Use trending audio on topics not including CTA. Always ask viewer to comment or subscribe. Mistake long complicated short with low retention. Remove simple format viral. And this is called my final tips for you. Start small, focus on consistency, engagement and perfection. Even zero subscriber can go viral. One of my first short had only 200 views. I keep posting daily and now some short get 100k views in a week. So if you want 2 more tips for making money online with YouTube short, comment short, below and subscribe for weekly videos. Thank you everyone for watching my this kind of theoretical part. Now I'm gonna be share with you my practical ways. Please don't disconnect with me until it finished. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to know something better, or if you want to my more content, please comment down or follow or subscribe my channel. That's why I'll be able to see my all content while I'll publish my recent content into my channel. So this is time for let's bye. See you soon with another effective content.